Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison between iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device after the recent software updates. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by few of my users, asked me to compare between these both phones. The main reason is because few users they did mention that the 4G plus connection was not stable sometimes in the iQOO 7 device after the recent update. That's the reason I thought of making a video on this particular topic using the Jio SIM card as an example. The main reason why I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card is because in my location, I can only get the 4G plus aggregation using Jio SIM card. If I try to use the Airtel SIM card or maybe Idea V SIM card, I don't get any 4G plus aggregation. So you should definitely remember friends, whether your area is kind of supported with the 4G plus or not. So you should not blame on the smartphone if it's not supported in your area. So you should know about that. So I know about my area, so my location supports 4G plus in the Jio SIM card without any kind of problem. So right now as you can clearly see friends, I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card. So Jio 4G in these both phones, you can clearly see. Sometimes I'm getting the 4G plus in the Realme GT Neo 2, sometimes in the iQOO 7 device I'm getting the 4G plus. It's kind of random. So but right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus. But when I'm trying to do the test, we'll try to find out whether 4G plus can actually access or not. Right now I'll try to do the testing exactly using these both phones in the same position only throughout the time. I'll not try to move this phone side because some people they didn't mention that moving the phones also sometimes disturbs the data speed. Let me try to start at same time downloading. So this is a download test which I'll try to start. So 1, 2 and 3. The stopwatch is also started on the background, you will be able to see, and 4G plus we are getting in both phones. Try to observe friends in the 4G plus. You can clearly see the 4G plus coming in the both devices, not an issue. But in the 2cc we are getting in the Realme GT Neo 2, 2cc. So two bands are connected in the Realme GT Neo 2. So single band in the iQOO 7 device. This is the indoor condition which I'm trying to do the testing. So you can see the difference how the download speeds are between these both phones. So definitely friends, in the 4G plus connection in the connectivity device basically. So both phones are downloading at the same time. So there is not a huge difference I would say in this kind of point. So overall one thing is that in the connectivity segment, slightly the Realme GT Neo 2 has got advantage. So don't get me wrong, even the iQOO 7 has got pretty good advantage, but the Realme GT Neo 2 can actually connect to the multiple bands at same time, even in the indoor conditions. So indoor condition I'm trying to mention. So iQOO 7 also can connect to the multiple bands, no doubt, but it should be kind of slightly outside our location a little bit. So it also depends upon the location friends. If you're in the metropolitan city or big city, then you should not be worried about the signals. So right now doing the test at same time, you're getting the speeds slightly very close, as you can see exactly, even though single band is there in the iQOO 7 device, still we are getting similar kind of speeds, not a huge difference. So throughout the test, we'll try to observe, so which phone can actually maintain 4G signal continuously, 4G plus. So throughout the test. So right now the test has been successfully finished right now at this moment, and we got the 24 Mbps, 24.5 Mbps in the Realme GT Neo 2 and 17.9 in the iQOO 7 device. You can see the difference, right? What is going on between these both phones. And now let me try to do the individual test. So first in the Realme GT Neo 2 when I'm trying to do the testing. So individual test also sometimes results may vary. So sometimes, as you can see right now I'm getting the 4G plus, so the speeds did increase up to 22.72, not bad. So 1.4. So these are the tests which I'm trying to do after the recent updates. So every time we get an update, we need to focus even on the connectivity wise. So not only on the performance and the battery and the camera, even the connectivity sometimes it gets fluctuated with this kind of update. So right now we're trying to do individual test. So individual test, iQOO 7 did reach up to 20 and 16 and 20. It's kind of nearly there. It's kind of struggling to get this kind of 20, as you can see, with a single band connection. So it did come close, but no, it did not cross this one, Realme GT Neo 2. So there will not be any kind of huge difference I would say, but having dual band connection, I mean 2cc, that kind of slightly better I would say. So this is a test which I did. So you can clearly understand friends how the speeds are varying between these both phones regarding the 4G plus speeds. So now the 4G Plus, it's not showing in the notification column in the Realme GT Neo 2. So now it's showing the 4G Plus. Just now it did show the 4G Plus. Now we can see the 4G Plus. So when there is a 4G Plus signal, you can see the speeds. It's kind of getting close. Not bad. You can even compare the ping value as well between these both phones, how it's maintaining between the ping values. Then you'll be able to understand slightly kind of better results. So 18 Mbps we got in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see the download speeds, how much we are getting in this phone. So we are getting about 24, 25 Mbps, not bad. 23 in the iQOO 7 device. 22.6, 22.9, 22.7, not bad. As you can see, friends, exactly the speeds. And this is the final test which I'll try to do at same time both phones. And then I'll try to end up this video. So at same time trying to do the testing. So doing the test at same time, now we are getting this kind of results little bit. And the ping value remains to be exactly similar, not a huge difference, ping value. And in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. This is a quick comparison between both phones. Overall, they are kind of pretty close to each other, nothing much huge difference, apart from multiple bands supporting in the Realme GT Neo 2 in the indoor condition. That's the one advantage. But regarding the speeds, there's not a huge difference. There's not a huge difference, definitely not. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's see for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.